How to know your GCash reference number. Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily get your GCash reference number. First thing you're going to have to do is log into your GCash account. Now to get your reference number, you're going to have to view your transaction history. You can do that by tapping on the transaction button at the bottom of your screen, right beside your profile. And once you tap on the transactions page, you're able to view your transaction history, but you have to note that the reference number and the transaction history is visible only for a limited time. So make sure to see your reference number right on that time frame. So once you find your reference number, if you want it for later use, you can take a screenshot of it, and then you can view your transaction details from here as well. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.